be opening 12 assorted soft foam animals. It's an amazing capsule. Farm animals. There are 12. This is the direction of the farm animals. First, drop capsule in warm or hot water. Ask adult for help when using hot water. Second, watch as the capsule creature begins to change the shape and grow. Third, in minutes, your creature will appear. Then, we have our hot water here. Come on guys, let's go build it now. Now, let's try and see what's inside this yellow pill. Okay, come on. Let's go put this in the hot water. Okay. Let's see what happens. Now, let's put this another one. This is a green pill. Now, let's put it. We need to make sure it gets wet because if not, it might not grow. So while they grow, we will wait. Alright, let's put this yellow pill again. Alright, let's see. But let's try and find and get a bowl. That's where we're gonna be looking for. Getting a bowl. Guys, there. That's a cow, guys. Look, that's a cow. There. Oh, so cute. It's a cow. All right, now, guys, next, let's see what is this green tail inside. I hope it's a bowl because I've been trying and finding this bowl. Let's see. While the other two are still building up, let's put another one. Alright guys, let's put another one. Okay, we put in red, blue. Oh, we're gonna put now blue. I hope this is a good one. Let's put it there and there. Oh, we got a duck. We got a duck there, and I don't know if this is a rooster or this something like a frog. So let's see. Let's wait for a few minutes. Then let's add more and get the build up animals so we can add more. Alright, let's wait. Is that a bull? I don't think that's a bull. I think that's a... Oh, it's a goat. How nice. Now, alright, now let's add more.
Let's watch here.
Now they're building up. I think this is a goose, or I don't think that's a goose or a duck, but this is the duck here, guys. Look, there's the duck. Then I think this is a chicken. It's a chicken, guys. Or I think it's a rooster because it's kind of becoming a chicken. Oh yeah, it's a chicken. Now let's add one more. Then the others. Now we got 6 left here. I hope we find something real good. Anything good. And we got something. Guys, look. It's a horse. Or a donkey. I think that's a donkey. Because I think horses have like here, but the donkeys have like down there like that. So now we got 5 left until we're gonna need to find a big... Alright, come on, let's get this one. blue pill. Alright. Like, too sticky. It's so... Okay. I don't think... We gotta... Guys, look! It's a horse! We got the donkey and a horse. Very nice, guys. That's really nice. I like it. Alright, now, let's go. Put 2 pills at the same time. Alright, guys? Come on. Let's get 3. Oh no, we got 3. Wait. Put this back, and we got 3. We got 2 now. Let's not get 3. At the last, we're gonna put... Let's see if we can find something in the mystery pet. Oh, it's still building up. And here's another one. Okay. So if they want, they might not build. So gotta do something like that. Okay, so they can build up. And now we got 2 more left until we still get to collect them all. Let's see if we can collect them all. Yo, these are 12 pills and 12 animals. So do you think we can get them all? Find it out, guys, later. And please like and subscribe. It can help. It will help our channel to grow better and more bigger. Alright now, guys. Now we're gonna open this one. We're gonna open this yellow. The last 2. Now first we're gonna open the yellow pill. Now if we open this yellow pill, we are gonna have only the last one. So I don't think I would like to open the yellow pill, but I think it suggests it's more efficiently good. Open it. So come on. So yellow. Tell me, guys, later in the comments. Tell me, guys, what's your favorite animal in here in this 12 animals?
Pwede naman.
Right now, guys.
Pwede naman.
A little more. We got a chicken here. So there's a pig.
Kaya
Got a goat.
natin, pwede.
We got a duck here. But the last thing, I think this is a bull. Yeah, we got a bull. That's which our favorite animal is.
Sabihin naman niya.
Guys, tell in the comments what is your favorite color.
Ano kaya? Inano mo na please.
Now we got the last one. Let's see what's the last one ever. Alright, guys.
Hindi naman sinagot niyo.
Red. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Alright. Something.
Kaya dinaanan naman niya ganyan sa tentative.
I don't know. Now we put in all of these 12 pills in this hot water. I think let's check. I think let's dry this first and let's check it. Come on, guys. So guys, here's the finished product of the farm animals. These are like scrubs like that, but they are not like scrubs. They are just for fun.
Texture is like foam.
Yeah, they're soft, really soft and squishy like this. It's so squishy and like it's thin. This is now I'll present the animals here for you. All right, here you got a goose. Mostly it's in from England. Then we got a bunny, a rabbit here. He like this. I like parrots. Then we got a mostly nobody really likes. I'm joking. A horse, really fast. Horses are really fast. They run like almost faster than Usain. They're really fast, like. But cheetah is faster. Then we got a duck. Quack quack.
Sa camera.
Then, we got a pig.
Amis na po tayo.
Here's the pig. Kinda a little bit big, kinda big. Then,
Over the rules.
this looks
Kasi
big.
baka mami ma-question.
A donkey.
Yes,
Yay! But not really.
Eh, gusto ko, para
They
ako na lang tatawag.
really, they don't run fast like from the Winnie and Pooh in series. That's Donkey from the Winnie and Pooh.
Pero ito,
Then, the mountain goat.
kasi ang
Here.
next na gusto ko, part ng seyak
They come from the mountain.
Next din tayo kay LCD.
Next,
Itong long,
one and only, the one we use for
matagal
beds and we use them cushions. Sheeps. That's where we get our fluffy squishy things. Then, our favorite food, chickens. Mostly they, and our favorite food too, eggs and chicken. Here.
Tingnan na natin.
Next, our favorite one, in Thanksgiving, goose.
Next kita mag-email, mag-ambush na lang
A turkey. We got a
consultation
turkey
kay
here.
NCT for 10 minutes. Okay, about
Then,
this. Kasi ayoko yung later on.
Here's a cow. This produces milk for us and cheese. That's why they're valuable. One and only,
Yung sa doorman.
what we've been finding for in this video,
Tapos yung ba, yung sa isa na
The bull.
find natin kay
they were kind of fast, and mostly in the Colosseum in Spain and Italy too. They use this.
Sige, thank you,
They
John.
like the thing like here, like they're gonna cover their face up with a towel something. These are kind of fast too, and pretty dangerous. So here we have every soft foam animals. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. It will make our channel bigger and grow stronger. Thank you. Bye. You like it, Connor?